We are going to discuss wonderful tips about photo shoot abstract, and it is coming from digital photographer, and you can find that you will be able to take the photo just like this, right? And for example, amazing photos you can easily take it. For example, here it is given like shooting steps, and I'll keep this as a photo so that you can easily follow, and how you have to have the settings, position and filter, lock settings, switch to bus mode, and natural warmth, and show the sequence, everything. And then for various camera, for a Fujifilm and Nikon or Canon and all that, for different things it is given the techniques also as well. And not only that, even how to have that which is the best the tripod you can try on, so that is also being given. And not only that, it is also given that before after also as well. For example, let's say an image, so this is the image, like a blurry image, and then this is after. So all it matters is that how you keep the settings on. If the settings is perfect, your photo is gonna be perfect, right? So learn more and follow for more.